Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I'm gonna try this Cernit translucent Bordeaux today. Really excited about that. Sorry, I don't already have it out and cut. Because I only need the tiniest bit, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. It's an Amazon set, one of those less expensive starter sets. Okay, I've got the Bordeaux. This is just a little bit of Cernit translucent. And then I've got, this is just a very tiny bit of Pearl Premo that has been sitting on my desk. Then I've got some silver leaf, not real silver leaf, but silver metallic leaf. And then I've got, this is some pearl, well, they're metallic alcohol inks. And this one is, lordy, I can't even begin to read that. Red copper. It just looks really similar to the Bordeaux, so that's why I chose it. Now once the Bordeaux base, it may look nothing like this, but anyway. Alright, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna open one of these. Grab the right blade, Lynn. Okay. Ugh. They normally tear perfectly, but this one didn't. Alright. I really just want, I don't want to make a big slab of this, but I'm just gonna take some translucent, a little too little. Okay. That's the translucent. Literally, it may be, since they don't make them in blocks anymore, you just can't tell somebody how much they're using, or you're using. Either one. Better for my blade. Okay, I should have had these open already. I'm just gonna take a little larger, and I mean very little larger. But it's still larger. Now, y'all may be asking why I go through so much trouble. I leave that label on there because it sticks the whole thing back down. and then it's pretty much dust-free encased. Okay, now as per usual, we're just gonna okay, no rhyme or reason, just chunk it up. Same thing with the translucent. Okay, don't do what I do. Because you know, now I'm going to have to try to find that. Or cut some more translucent. Seriously, that was the easiest to find drop I've ever encountered. You know, normally when you drop something, it's gone. It's just gone. Alright. That's the translucent. Now, on this pearl, there we go. I'm gonna chop it a little bit smaller. Oh, I hate that sound. Alright. And then same thing with the black. A very little bit. Ooh, it's sticky. And chopped very fine. Which is hard to do when it's sticky. Alright, now, roll up your sleeves. I'll put that away a minute. Now, I'm just gonna mix these together. Okay, you're not supposed to stick. Alright. Alright, and I'm just gonna put a few drops. Maybe 10. I didn't exactly count, but maybe 10. I really don't want to add any more than that because it will just make it stickier. I mean, stickier can be a good thing, but now I don't have any sheet metallic leaf. I just don't. I'm going to turn it over and silver leaf the other side. Okay, I always say don't have your air conditioning or anything on, but I've got my space heater on, so as you see, it's flying around. Even though it's under my desk. That actually stuck pretty well. Alright, I'm just gonna incorporate this. I want to say mildly, but it probably won't end up that way. Still got a few spots that aren't wanting to stick, but it's getting better. I'm also wanting to get some of that silver pushed a little more to the middle. Still squishy right there for sure. Alright, last time. Okay, squeezing it pretty hard. Okay, here they are. I'm not necessarily that happy with them, but This one I did a glaze with the Valentine. Okay. This one is just literally hand buffed with a little Renaissance wax. My buffer just quit. I'm really upset by that. When I bought this buffer, which wasn't that long ago, maybe 3 years ago, it was $40, okay? I just looked at it on eBay, $225. I'm cringing. So, unless I can fix it somehow, we're out of buffer for a while. So, I really like this one a lot better. I don't know why. It has more of the Bordeaux showing. And really very little of the silver has shown through. Tiny little bit right there. This one has more, but it has less of the Bordeaux. A little more of the black. So, anyway, there they are. Sorry for my sad story. I'm really bummed about it. I'm gonna come back in the next video and I'm gonna do another bale. But this time I'm gonna show you a mix of color choices. However you want to say that. I'm going to mix some color. Alright, I'll be back. Bye for now. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.